Are you struggling to maintain your mental health? Today, I'm diving deep into a topic that's incredibly important: mental health. Whether you're looking to improve your mental well-being or maintain the good vibes you've got going, this video's for you. First off, let's talk about achieving mental health. It's all about balance. Balance between work, rest, and play. Start by setting realistic goals for yourself. Break down big tasks into manageable steps. It's less overwhelming and gives you a sense of accomplishment. Next, self-care is key. Make time for activities you enjoy. Whether it's reading, jogging, or even painting, these moments of joy can be a powerful boost to your mental well-being. Just a few minutes each day can reduce stress and improve your focus. Don't forget the power of sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. It's crucial for cognitive function and emotional stability. Try to keep a consistent sleep schedule even on weekends. Nutrition also plays a big role. Fuel your body with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid excessive caffeine and sugar, as they can lead to energy crashes and mood swings. Let's not overlook the importance of social connections. Surround yourself with supportive people. Share your feelings and experiences with friends or family. Sometimes just talking about what's on your mind can make a huge difference. Now, maintaining mental health is just as crucial. Keep up with those habits that brought you balance and peace. Regularly check in with yourself. How are you feeling? What's stressing you out? What's bringing you joy? Practice gratitude. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you're thankful for. It can shift your focus from what's going wrong to what's going right. And remember, it's okay to ask for help. Seeking support is a step towards strength. Finally, be kind to yourself. Everyone has tough days. Don't beat yourself up over setbacks. Instead, see them as opportunities to learn and grow. That's it for today. I hope these tips help you on your journey to achieving and maintaining mental health. Take care, and remember, your mental well-being matters. Catch you next time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on mental health and well-being.